replacing the faceplate. All right, go ahead, Tom.
Okay, first thing is you want to take the screws off the top and or in this case it's the left and right side. Use a regular screwdriver, not electric, so you don't strip it out. Okay, when you get all four screws off, it's just going to slide open like this. You can slide it out, and you can either hold this down and just detach the faceplate and the board and everything here. Now, you take the side that's got the LEDs, you hold it right on the edge there, and all you do is you just grab this right here, and it'll pop right out, just like this. You'll get a replacement faceplate, you'll put the bumpers in it.
Do the bumpers so we can see what those are. Yeah, there you go. So you're going to get the bumpers all loose.
Make sure they're nice and flat. Make sure there's one in each one and not doubled up or anything like that. And then all you do is
just fit loosely in there. They're not secured in any way until that board goes in.
And this will slide right into a slot. When it slides right in the slot, pick it up gently. Hold right by the LEDs there. A little push. Snaps right into place.
You're doing this and you're pulling it off by these LED sides. You're putting in the bottom side first.
So yes, when you take it off again, you'll just hold by where the LEDs are.
Which is the...
Just pull on that a little bit.
Okay.
Comes right off.
I just want to reiterate. So we're pulling off on the LEDs there, not down here. We're putting that side in first and pulling there.
If you try to pull off on the switch side, it's gonna hang up. The board will hang up.
Yep.
It'll be tough.
So that's important.
So
okay.
And like I said, when you get them all together, just like that.
Okay.
Reverse the procedure. Just make sure you get it on the rail there, the little header. Now make sure it's not off by one. And just slide together. Sometimes you might have to push one of these little tongues in just a little bit, like that. Take your screw and just
tighten her up and don't strip that screw. It's going in the plastic.
Yep.
Okay. Thanks, Tom.
One last thing.
Oh, yep.
I see it when I'm talking to you. I just put the board in. Make sure this board was on the bench when I slid together. It was not. Make sure that they're in the rails.
Let's see those rails. Pull that.
There's some rails.
There you can see the rails. The board needs to be in the rails.
And if you did not pull it all the way out, it won't go out of the rails. But this is one that was just sitting on the bench, and I just pushed the board in.
So if you leave that main circuit board in there,
it
won't be a problem. But if you happen to pull that out.
Okay. And that relay board goes connected there. It's on its rails.
Okay.
Slide together. Now let's put it. Now I can see it's properly in its rails there. And
we're back together. Thanks, Tom.
Back together. And you want to see how